In this video, I will show you how to change date and time on photos on iPhone. Sometimes the date and time on your photos may not be correct. This can happen if the phone was set to the wrong time zone or if the settings were changed to get started. Locate and open the Photos app on your iPhone. Once inside the app, scroll through your albums or library to find and select the photo you want to edit. Tap on it to view it in full size. Now that the photo is open, tap on the icon. Next, tap on Adjust here. You'll first see a calendar layout. Start by selecting a new date for your photo. After adjusting the date, focus on changing the time. You'll see options to set hours and minutes. Adjust them as needed. Additionally, if necessary, there's an option to change the time zone as well. This is particularly useful if you're dealing with photos taken during travel or different locations. Once all adjustments are made, tap Adjust at the top right corner of your screen to save these changes.